I'm a person who likes to create meaningful relationships, but I have always connected with a very few people, always had smaller number of friends, and I really struggle with small talks. I take time to build relationships. और गलती से if I used to get attached, तो फिर मैं काफ़ी dependent हो जाती थी.
I was very underconfident while approaching a woman. I tried a lot. I took courses upon courses. I read so many books. I hired mentor. I tried to learn so many skills, but there's always some fear around women, and it wasn't going away.
I felt like an outsider with most of the people. I felt as if I really cannot find people who can understand me or understand the intensity or depth that I feel. As I am a sensitive person, it got really hard for me to sustain the traumas that relationships bring. Honestly, relationships got really intense for me as well. एक relationship था मेरा, but it got very toxic and suffocating. And I did not know if I could handle it well.
I always felt confused, and I tried to do things perfectly. And the funny part is, the harder I tried and the messier it got. So basically, I was not able to allow myself to relax. I was always over planning and over analyzing things, so much that it impacted every single area of my life. I have always been a bright student, but when it came to relationship, I was failing again and again. I struggled to perform at work because I didn't know how to build friendship. I didn't have any friends after school. I could never find a girl. I felt as if I'm working really hard for it. I was still failing badly.
So, when I read about conscious matchmaking, the one thing that I liked the most was that I am getting introduced to a filtered set of people. Because, I'm not a person who can go onto dating sites and have random conversations with anyone. So, I was actually excited कि किसी ने ऐसा कुछ सोचा और बनाया. While going through the process, मुझे काफ़ी क्लैरिटी आई कि मैं कहाँ अटक रही थी एंड वेयर वर माय गैप्स. और मुझे ये मेजर रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि ये मेरी जो साइड थी इंट्रोवर्ट वाली, उसमें काफ़ी सारे फियर्स मिक्स हो गए थे. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ हु आई एम, मैंने एक शील्ड बना लिया था ताकि मुझे पेन फेस ही ना करना पड़े. सी, इंट्रोवर्ट होना इज़ वन थिंग, but avoiding relationships or over dependent hona is just another.
So when I started my process, मेरे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल था because it was like कि सारा काला चिट्ठा खोल दिया है जिंदगी का. But Anamika was there for me. She supported me a lot, and she helped me to see things in a different perspective, a right perspective. I won't say I have learned a lot with her, but all I can say that I have unlearned and let go of what was not me.
सेंसिटिव होना एक चीज़ है, पर मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि उसे सही तरीके से हैंडल किया जा सकता है, सो दैट इट डज नॉट स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंसिंग लाइफ. और व्हेन आई वर्कड ऑन द फियर पार्ट ऑफ इट, तब मुझे ये डिस्टिंक्शन समझ में आने लगा.
Yes, the entire process was quite elaborate and helpful. And now I can see myself, I can observe myself in each step, and slowly and steadily I'm making a progress. I think I can feel it. I'm really liking it. And अब मुझे मेगा मिली और ऑफिस में मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भी मिल रहे हैं.
तो अब मैं बताती हूँ. So when I met Ishan, see, we both are a little slow. So we talked and talked, and then eventually it clicked. to be honest, it was so effortless for the first time in my life. And I'm really grateful that this came into my life.
तो अच्छा लगता है when things align and you're making a progress. I feel confident about myself. अब ऐसा लगता है ना कि चीज़ें easy भी हो सकती हैं. Now I'm allowed to relax and enjoy. So simple terms में अब बस थोड़ा थोड़ा डर लगता है, वो भी मेगा से. I am really grateful to Anamify. Thank you so much, guys. This was amazing.
Thank you, guys.